Thanks for watching Matthew's Daniel Atlantic Weather Briefing. I'm meteorologist Gonzalo Agudelo. Taking a look at the Atlantic right now, we have one active system, Tropical Storm Ian. As you can see here in the central Atlantic, Ian currently has maximum sustained winds at 40 knots with gusts to 50 knots. It's currently moving north-northwest at about 11 knots. You can see it kind of making a turn a little bit more northward. It had previously been moving a little bit more to the west, northwest, and northwest. Ahead of it, though, you can see this elongated area of cloudiness. This is the frontal system that is going to be interacting with Ian, and it's going to be pushing it more to the north and north-northeast, and it'll be also accelerating. Once you get up into the higher latitudes, though, you get colder water temperatures, and this frontal system is going to make Ian lose a lot of its tropical characteristics, which will make it transition into a extratropical cyclone. That's expected to happen in the next few days as the system continues to track into this frontal system. It's not going to be a threat to any landmass at all, just one of those fish storms. We have two other areas of interest that we're looking at right now. The first one is 93L. 93L, you can see it over the past few hours actually been looking a little bit better on satellite imagery right now, but the downfall about it is that it's the center of circulation has over the Florida Peninsula, so we're not expecting the system to intensify anymore. If the system was just a little bit further out to the east, or even in the Gulf, where you have a lot more warmer waters and maybe a little bit less shear, the system probably would have had a better chance at intensifying, but it's already over land. Still going to be a big rainmaker to parts of the southeast U.S. coast, but that's about it. Maybe some gusty winds at times with some of the thunderstorms associated with it. The last thing we're going to talk about is Invest 95, just tracked off the coast of Africa right now, and you can see it nicely in satellite imagery. Lots of clouds and thunderstorms associated with this area of low pressure. As of right now, we have a moderate chance for some formation happening in the next 5 days. The system may remain relatively weak as it continues tracking generally west-northwest. We might see a little bit of development happening maybe towards the end of this week. We'll continue to watch that though. But other than that, that's about it. If you have any questions or would like to see another area included in our global weather briefing, please email us at weather@mattdan.com. Thanks and stay tuned tomorrow for our next podcast on the Atlantic.